Hello everyone. Today we are going to be set up SSL on a domain. Right now you can see my domain is techproductmanager.info, which is currently, I mean, doesn't have any SSL. So we will just enable a SSL on this domain, and you are able to see this is not secure. Is already showing on this. That is a sign of that we don't have a SSL on this. So let's start this one. First of all, let's enable the terminal, and I'm just going to log in with my server. Okay, now we are logged in with our server. So my domain is already hosted on Nginx with the same DNS. If you see, if you just ping my domain, that is my domain, that is so it will be showing my DNS which is my current EC2 instance public IP. So let's start with the SSL enabling on this. So here I'm already given all the commands that required. First of all, we need to enable Certbot Nginx plugin on our server. So it is a simple basic command. So that I need to paste here. HTTPS. HTTPS. security